Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with Lucille's Hive.
Right there.
Why is my phone taking?
Line number 3. This line now. This line guys. This line guys. 6, this line number 3.
Photos. Oh.
Some on the side. There are 3 generations.
Look at all those chickens. Excuse me. Daddy, where are you? I'm sorry.
Oh, you gotta hurry up.
I said, where are you?
After that, all the spots. Where's Nana?
Where's Nana?
Where's Nana? Where's that?
Okay ka lang, Nay?
Might be cool at the top though.
That here?
Yeah. Nay! Ayos mo, Nay.
So I'm guessing
Can you hold Lola? Lola is good at the boat. Okay ka lang, Nay?
That's the big, you too, buddy. I've never been down here before. First time for me.
This is your first time for us?
You're funny.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Niagara City Cruises. May I have your attention, please? This is an important safety announcement. This boat is equipped with all necessary and proper firefighting and life-saving equipment. In the event of an emergency, our trained crew members will assist you with your life-saving equipment. For your safety, life jackets are stored in the labeled storage containers located throughout the boat. Instructions on how to wear life jackets are also clearly labeled on the storage containers. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound, and you will be directed by crew members on how to proceed. For your safety, please do not stand on the benches. Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery. When moving about the vessel, please watch your step and hold onto the handrail, especially when going up or down the stairs and disembarking. We hope you enjoy your boat tour. Thank you for choosing Niagara City Cruises.
Yeah, this is the back of it. Or maybe they're just reversing, yeah. Because the waves are probably pushing this way. The waves are pushing that way, that's why.
Okay ka lang, Nay?
Hey Seth, if you're going to be a photographer, you want to use Mom's phone?
Yes, not please. Not please.
You
Photography.
want to be a photographer. Because apparently you're good at it.
Like landscape, please. Yeah.
As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rockfall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Goat Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall compared to its two counterparts.
That's where the water comes out. Each one had turbines.
The American, the Bridalveil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located between Goat Island and Table Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls. As a natural wonder of the world, the Horseshoe Falls name derives from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with the Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
I don't know why.